Hey there guys, welcome back. In the last lecture we saw pop method. The next method of dictionary class is pop item. The pop item method removes the last element from the dictionary. It does not take any parameter and it returns the removed key values in the form of tuple. Let's see this in code. Making new example k.py. Suppose we have this dictionary. Here we have name Elon Musk, age 49, company is SpaceX and location is South Africa. And we will call pop item. So d.popItem, and this will return the value which is removed. So we'll print it. So print d.popItem and we'll print d. Here our last element is location with value South Africa. It will be removed from the dictionary and is returned by the pop item. So we will get this. Okay. Running k.py. See. Location South Africa, and in the dictionary we are left with name, age and company. Now what if we call pop item once more? This time company will be removed. Okay. So let's see. Running k.py. See, company SpaceX, and in the dictionary we are getting name and age. Okay. Now we are left with two elements in the dictionary. So I'll call pop item two more times. And now at this point our dictionary is empty. And I'll call pop item one more time. So what will happen if we call pop item on an empty dictionary? Let's see. Running k.py. Okay, here we are getting key error. Pop item dictionary is empty. So we are getting key error, right? The next method of dictionary class is update. Update method updates the dictionary with the elements from another dictionary or from other retrievals of key value pairs. Update method adds element to the dictionary if the key is not present. If key is present, then it updates the key with new value. It takes either a dictionary as a parameter or an iterable object with key and value pairs, generally tuples. The update method simply updates the dictionary. It does not return any value. Let's see. Making new example l.py. Suppose here we have this dictionary and we have another dictionary. D1 is equal to location South Africa. Update is a method of class dictionary, so it is called on dictionary object. So we'll call d.update d1 and print d. So here the keys in d are name, age and company, and the key in d1 is location. We have new key in d1, so the new key value pair will be added in dictionary d. Let's see. Running l.py. See, our dictionary is now name, age, company and location. Okay. Now let's see new example m.py. We will take the same dictionary and this time d1 is company Tesla. And d.update d1 and print d. So here in d we already have the key company. So if we call update method with dictionary d1, then the value for key company will be updated in dictionary d. Okay. Let's see. Running m.py. See, here we are getting company as Tesla. Okay. So our dictionary is updated. The next method of class dictionary is setDefault. The setDefault method takes two arguments, key and the default value, which is optional. The setDefault method returns the value of a key if the key is in dictionary. If key is not in the dictionary, then it inserts the key and value which is passed in the parameter of setDefault method. Means if the key is not present in the original dictionary, then the key value which is passed in the parameter of setDefault method, these are added in the dictionary. Okay. And if the key is present in the dictionary, then the value of that key is returned. And if we don't specify the second argument in setDefault, then second argument is optional, so we can skip it. So if we don't specify the second argument and the key is also not present in the dictionary, then a new record with that key is added in the dictionary with value none. Okay, so let's see, making new example n.py. Let's take this dictionary and print d.setDefault. Let's pass name here, name, and print d. So name is present in our dictionary, so its value will be returned. Okay, let's see running n.py. See, we are getting Elon Musk. Okay, now comment this and print d.setDefault. Let's pass here location. Here we don't have location in our dictionary, so a new record with key location will be added in the dictionary and its value will be none. Let's see running n.py. See, we are getting none and the dictionary is updated. And see, the new record is location with value none. Okay, now let's pass the value of location. So print d.setDefault location, comma South Africa. Let's see running n.py. See, our value is South Africa and updated dictionary is location with South Africa. Okay, now print d.setDefault name, comma Musk. See, we already have the key name and we have passed the default value also, so our default value will not be added in the dictionary. Let's see running n.py. See, our name is still Elon Musk, so if the key is already present in the dictionary, then simply its value is returned and the dictionary is not updated. Okay, the next method of class dictionary is items. Items method returns a view object that displays a list of dictionaries, key values, tuple pairs. It does not take any parameters and it returns an object that displays a list of the given dictionaries, key value, tuple pair. Means the whole dictionary is written in the list like object form and each key value inside that list are printed in a tuple. Let's see an example. Making new example o.py. Let's take this dictionary and print d.items. So let's run. See, the dictionary is in the list form and each pair is inside tuple. Okay, so this method returns an object that displays a list of key value tuple pair. Okay, now let's see the methods of dictionary we saw till now. The first method we saw was keys. The keys method returns a view object that displays a list of all the keys in the dictionary. Similar was values. It returns a view object that displays a list of all the values in the dictionary. The next method was get. It takes key as the argument and it returns the value for a specified key if key is in dictionary. The next method was pop. It also takes one argument, that is key, and it removes and returns an element from the dictionary having the given key. The next method was pop item. This method don't take any argument and it removes and returns the last element, that is key value pair, that was inserted into the dictionary. Next method is update, and update requires a dictionary in its parameter, and update method updates the dictionary with the elements from the another dictionary or from an iterable of key value pairs. The next method is setDefault. setDefault takes two arguments. First is key and second is default value, which is optional. And setDefault method returns the value of a key if it is in dictionary, and if it is not in the dictionary, then it inserts the key with its value. The last method we saw was items. Items method returns a view object that displays a list of dictionaries, key value tuple pairs. So that was all for today. We'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you.